At first glance, question 8 looks quite intimidating, but actually it's not quite as bad as it looks. And there are a couple of ways which you might want to go about solving this. So the kind of textbook way to solve this using log laws is to recognise that if you remember, we can use the log law log A plus log B equals log AB here. Essentially, we've got three different components, but because they're all base 9, we can express them here as a log base 9, 81 times 1 over 9 multiplied by 3. So we can say that log to the base 9, this is going to give us 27 equals log to the base 9 of x. So essentially then, if I put those both sides as exponents of 9, those will cancel out and you'll be left here with x equals 27. If you're a little bit more au fait with logs, in the first instance you might actually be able to recognise what these values are. So for instance, a log to the base 9 of 81, so just to give you an example for the first one, so log to the base 9 of 81 equals some value x, and using, some of you might be familiar with the magic 7, we can express that as 9 to the power x equals 81, and as 81 is equal to 9 squared, we can see that x equals 2. So if you're a little bit more au fait, I would say, and argue that a faster way of doing this is just recognising that the solution to this first part is 2. Log to base 9 of 1 over 9 is going to be 9 to negative 1. And then here log to the 9, 3 is going to be the square root, so that would be plus a half. So here we're going to end up with, this is going to be 1.5, or 3 over 2 is equal to log to the base 9 of x. So therefore, if I put both sides as exponents of 9, then I am going to end up with x equals 9 to the 3 over 2, so the square root of 9 is 3 cubed is 27, so I will also end up with 27. So this method here, method A, is kind of textbook log laws, very easy to follow. Method B, if you're au fait with logs, if you understand fairly quickly what this value is, I would argue that this method might be a bit more efficient, but you do need to be fairly confident with interpreting logs.